Recently, many building facades along the Belgian coast, made of reinforced concrete, have shown signs of corrosion in the steel reinforcement, posing a serious risk. As the steel expands, it can crack the concrete, causing dangerous pieces to fall. Steny Nature panels present an ideal solution for replacing these deteriorating facades. Not only do they provide a safe and durable alternative, but they also create the opportunity for additional insulation, improving residents' comfort. Among the key requirements for cladding are its aesthetic appeal and long-term durability. Steny Nature combines natural stone granulate with cutting-edge technology, offering a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution. The hidden screw installation ensures a seamless, refined look, often perceived as blind. With high durability, potential for reuse, and low environmental impact, Steny panels are a responsible and aesthetic investment in a sustainable future.